Hey, what's up guys, this is Rex and it's time for my new speakers which I got a couple of days ago. So yeah, as you can see the box right there, simple packing over here, not premium. I mean, this is a cheap product, so you can't expect those premium packaging over here. So yeah, let's check it out, see what inside the box. So we got some specs right there in English, Russian, French and Spanish, so I don't know those languages, so no worries. And yeah, this is how thing looks like, and we have the simple box over there, and inside of it of course the speaker there, so no worries. And we got those two guys right there. Let's check it out, see how they look like. And yeah, so yeah, the unboxing experience really simple there. Just a couple of speakers over there, nothing else over there. So simple packing over there, and we got these things. They're just wrapped in plastic there. So yeah, design wise and it's super light, I mean not that heavy, so yeah, it looks so good. So I'll just unwrap all this plastic from there. So yeah, just remove the plastic there. So yeah, just unwrap all those plastic from there, and as you can see, design wise, I mean it looks so good and super light over there, not that heavy, and it's super slim, man. You got the power button over there and the volume button as well. So I mean, design wise, I think it's really cool, and I'm just loving it. I mean, because of its design. So yeah, and it's really easy to use. You got this power plug over there and also the headphone jack, so no worries, it's really easy to use. So yeah, design wise and look wise, I mean it looks so good. I mean, it's really easy to use, very light, not that heavy, and yeah, I think it's so good at this price tag. I mean, the price is about 1000 rupees, so for this price tag, I mean it's a pretty good deal at this price tag. So yeah, it looks amazing. Just love the design as well. Apart from that, the design wise, I mean the sound quality is pretty good. Not that I mean there's no bass over there, but the loud is pretty loud. So yeah, at this price tag, it's pretty good deal. And this is it for today, and I'll catch you next. Peace out.